Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're making something special and fun. Mille-feuille hot pot with a cute polar bear decoration. Japanese hot pot is a winter staple. Today we're spicing things up with a visually stunning and delicious mille-feuille hot pot. We layer napa cabbage and pork belly and top it off with a bear-shaped decoration made from grated radish. It's not only easy to make, but also a beautiful and delicious addition to any party. First, we'll carefully peel off each napa cabbage leaf. Making a small cut near the base of each leaf helps in removing them neatly. Next, layering napa cabbage and pork belly, alternating their direction for a flat surface. After stacking about 5 layers of cabbage, cut them into 5 cm wide pieces. Begin laying them into the pot cut side up from the outer edge. Depending on the size of your pot, you might need to repeat this step. Now let's prepare the soup. Add 3 teaspoons of chicken bouillon powder, 1.5 tablespoons of sake, and 450 cc of water. If you wish to add more ingredients while cooking, simply preparing additional soup using the same proportions and add it to the pot. While you can cook it as is, we are adding a decorative touch for the party. Grate the radish, drain well, and mold it into your desired shape. We made a white bear using nori for the eyes and nose. It's now ready to cook. Pour in the soup and simmer until the cabbage and pork are cooked, about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. Now it's finished. Enjoy by dipping in ponzu sauce. It's a great dish for hosting a party, and feel free to get creative with the decoration. Try making cat, dog, or snowman. The moment of destroying the cute creation is part of the fun. Let's look over what we used today. How did you like our mille-feuille hot pot with polar bear? It's a simple yet delightful dish that brings joy and warmth to your table, especially in the colder month. Perfect for parties or just fun meal at home. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give us some up. Let us know in the comment if you try this recipe or have any other creative ideas for hot pot decorations. See you in the next video. Bye bye!